Hi friends! Today I'm going to be talking about the lettering toolkit for Procreate that's available on designcuts.com and briefly touching on some of my favorite brushes from the pack. Okay, let's get started! So before we dive into the brushes, I just wanted to say that I did receive this lettering toolkit as a gift from Design Cuts in exchange for my review, but that doesn't affect my opinions. I always share my true opinions, my true feelings when I'm doing any of these review videos, but just something to keep in mind. I am going to leave a link to this toolkit in the video description, so if you are interested in checking it out for yourself, you can check it out there via my affiliate link. So the lettering toolkit is available on Design Cuts. It is $35 regular price, but it comes with over 290 different brushes. Now it's important to note that these brushes are only compatible with the Procreate app. They're not Illustrator brushes, they're not Photoshop brushes, so they're only for Procreate. Within the pack you get several different calligraphy brushes, brush pens, markers, flat pens, all sorts of different textured brushes and shaders. So right on the sales page there's kind of just a little overview of, or like a little sample of what all the different pens look like. So there's the calligraphy assorted pens, which are just different textured pens. There's a watercolor, brush, crayon. Then there's flat pens in both clean and in distressed. Then different markers, different brush pens, which are pressure sensitive, different graffiti brushes. There's the color builder brush, which looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to play around with. Different pens, different stamps and decorators, pencils, and then tons of shader brushes. So what I'm going to be doing is actually just going through and just giving a brief demo on some of the different brushes that are available in the brush pack and showing them on Procreate. Okay, so the toolkit comes with the lettering guides. So there's an upright and a slanted, and then it comes with several different colors of textured paper. I've just imported the blue and the pink for right now. So I'm going to go into the slanted lettering guide, and I'm going to change my brush color to black just so it's kind of stands out better. So I'm just going to go through and try out some of the different brush pens first. So let's start with this first one here, Smooth Brush Thin. Okay, so let's go to the Copperplate pens or the calligraphy pens, because that's why I really got this slanted guideline out. So there is different styles, it looks like, of Copperplate pen brushes, and then each one has like a distressed, rough, or clean texture. So let's try these, let's try the rough textures. So let's start with just the general Copperplate at about 10% here. so that is kind of a sample of the different Copperplate pen or Copperplate brushes. Let's see, there is this ink brush script. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so let's look at these assorted brushes. So this watercolor brush, thin, let's play around with that. Let's see what that looks like. Let me choose this bright color. I'm gonna make the brush a little bit bigger and just kind of see what we've got going on here. Let's see. So I really like that. That wrote really smoothly. And there's definitely some fun texture to it. Let's see about maybe blending a couple of the colors. So I'll actually put this, oh no, don't do what I do. I just wrote this word on top of the color paper instead of using a new layer. So let's try this again. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, now I'm gonna put this layer on Alpha Lock and just see about maybe doing some blending with this since it's watercolor. Why not, right? In fact, I'm going to use, let's use this one. The watercolor brush Bold. Let's use that and see if we can maybe get some of this just to blend a little bit. Maybe. Actually, let's make this a little smaller. Okay, so it doesn't want to. Well, let's try with the actual brush. There we go. I don't know if you can see that there. If I zoom in a little bit more, you can see a little bit that the colors want to blend together a little bit more. So that's fun for watercolors. Yeah. Okay. Let's go back to the color builder. So this one looks pretty fun. So let's give it a shot. So I am gonna use this bright pink. No, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna use the bright blue as my first color. So I'm just going to write an A. Let's center it because that's gonna drive me nuts. Okay, now I'm going to choose a different color. How about this blue? I'm going to choose the second color builder brush, and they're all up at 100%, just so they're kind of even. Oops. And I'm going to just go over what I've already written. So they just kind of build on each other. I guess that's why they call it color builder. So that one's almost turning a little purple. Color builder 3. I'm gonna do this bright pink. And then for the last one, let's use this purple and the color builder 4. And you don't have to use all of the brushes, 1, 2, 3, 4. You could just use a combination of a couple. You don't have to use 4 different colors. Let's see what it looks like if we do like a not a monochrome, but different varying intensities of the same color. So let's start. I'm actually gonna go dark to light. I'm pretty excited to play around with the color builder a little bit more. This is probably my favorite set of pens so far. Obviously, I haven't shown you all 290 pens that are in this brush pack. If I did, this video would be so long. So I'm going to go ahead and call it good for right now. Next week, I will be showing you a tutorial on how to make this 3D block letter A using just some of the pens from this pack. So make sure that you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And if you enjoyed this pen review, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button too. If you are interested in purchasing the lettering toolkit for yourself, I will leave the link to the kit below so you can check it out and you can purchase. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below for me. I love hearing from you guys. And that is it for today. I will catch you guys next time.